Hi and welcome to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to curve text in Photoshop. First, we have to create text. Go and click the text tool right here. Then type what text you want to curve. For this video, we will type the curve word. In the Layers tab, right-click the text layer and click Warp Text. A mini window will pop up. This is where we can adjust the curveness of the text. From this drop-down menu, let us choose the Arc preset. Then you can play with this slider to adjust the curveness of the text. You can also play with the distortion slider. But for me, I'm not gonna do that. And there we have it, we have now learned how to curve texts in Adobe Photoshop. For more quick and easy tutorial like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell of my YouTube channel so you will not miss any of my tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.